Hey there everyone! Today's video is a real treat. I'm sharing an incredible AI tool that makes it super easy to transform your regular 2D photos into amazing 3D characters. Isn't that exciting? Ready to dive in? Let's go! First, head to dzine.ai and click Start for Free at the top. Logging in with your Google account is easy, so I recommend that. Once logged in, start a new project and upload the photo you'd like to transform. Next, choose Image to Image from the left toolbar. Then under Choose a Style, select 3D Rendering. For best results, be sure to enable Color Match and Face Match. Finally, hit Generate. Your image will be processed. If a Plan Upgrade prompt appears, just close it. Once processing is complete, you'll have 4 fantastic 3D designs to choose from. Select the one that suits your style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and please hit that like button to support us. Thanks a bunch!